The Bills plugin displays estimated costs and billing information for all sensors of a specified display group based on the currently active bill profile. It's important to note that all costs and billing data shown is for information purposes only. Your actual bill will be provided to you by your utility company. At the top, we have the billing history graph and the bill details graph. Both of these graphs display cost and consumption totals based on different time periods. The details graph shows the data for each day of the billing period, while the historical graph shows the data for each billing period as a whole. You can update which bill period to break down in the details table by clicking on one of the green bars in the historical table. Beneath these graphs, we display the number of days in the period, the daily average, and the dates the billing period starts and ends on. If the bill profile belongs to your account, you can click on the edit icon beside the start and end dates to adjust which days the period starts and ends on. After that row is the table that displays the consumption and cost totals broken down based on the rates provided in the rate profile, as well as the total bill to date beneath the table. If you have the current bill period selected, there will be another table beside this one which shows the projected costs and consumption data with the estimated bill period total. You can change what is displayed on this page by adjusting the settings in the Display Options panel on the right side of the screen. If you don't already see this panel, you can expand it out by clicking on the gear icon in the top right corner. Along with the gear, we have the Refresh button to refresh the data being shown. The first display option is the drop-down to select which display group you wish to see the billing data for. Next, click the More Options checkbox for advanced options. The first advanced option is to set how many billing periods you want to see on the bill history graph, and the last four checkboxes allow you to toggle the consumption data and the Y-axis label for both of the graphs.